Hey everybody, we took one of the most overhyped dishes and made it a competition.
Pull up a chair and get ready for a good time with Michael Symon, Carla Hall, and Clinton Kelly. Let's get into it.
I mean, not really. It's not really a competition. Yeah. But everyone thinks their avocado toast is the best, right? I mean,
yeah.
I mean, I think so.
Yeah, you like what you like.
I mean, so today, 3 of those people are in the same room. Avocado toast is simple until we got involved. We're gonna
complicate the hell out of it.
I mean, if it's not a competition, we still want to win. 3 cooks,
yes.
1 main ingredient, 3 different ways. It's avocado toast time.
Whoop, whoop. You know what, you mentioned it. It was over. Is it overhyped anymore? Because I feel like people in the know liked avocado toast.
Yeah.
Then influencers got all over avocado toast, and all you heard about was avocado toast.
Right.
Then they moved on to other things like protein. Gotta get my macros. And then now that they've forgotten about avocado toast a little bit, now I'm back into avocado toast.
I'm just contrary. I don't want to eat the thing that people are telling me to eat all the time.
Exactly.
Although I am into the protein. That was Clinton Kelly speaking, everybody, and now Michael Symon's about to say something.
I'm also pro-protein too. I'm just, you know, the influencers. It's like they get on one thing and they just keep going on like a broken record. Shut up, or I get it.
Yeah.
Protein. That's how you feel like cottage cheese. You know, like there's a lot of cottage cheese talk right now, and I like cottage cheese, but I'm sick of cottage cheese.
That's
Well, I eat what I want to eat. I don't care what anybody tells me what to eat. Like, I know what I like. I know what I don't like. And I change it up a lot. But I do love avocado. I've always liked avocado. I enjoy it. So when I'm in the mood for it, I eat it. And I'm going to show you one today, but I almost never make it the same twice.
right.
Yeah.
It's just kind of what I'm feeling that day.
Or what's in the fridge or what's in the garden. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
it's a pantry fridge thing. And when it's summer and the garden's popping, I'll grab herbs, grab whatever. If it's spring, I'll slice some radishes up. You know, sometimes I like some anchovy fillets on there.
We're both like,
Oh, it makes sense, but I've never put that on my avocado.
Fat and salt.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Oh, I like white avocado. I mean, white anchovies.
I like both. Liz is very
By the way, there is no
anti.
white avocado. I just want you to know I misspoke. People out there looking for the white avocados now.
Liz is very what?
Anti-white anchovy.
Yeah.
Really? Why?
Yeah, she doesn't like the vinegary style. She likes the salty style.
See, that's why
And
I like
she
them.
likes the slightly more intense.
Yeah, that's exactly why I do.
Like the brown ones are more intense.
Yeah. Yes.
And Liz loves acidity, but wants to add it herself. Like, she likes salty anchovies and lemon.
Yeah. I can see why she would like that, and you perfectly described why I prefer the white ones.
Yeah, you like the vinegar, and they're more mild.
Yeah.
It's like, I always say that the white ones, I like both, and they're delicious. But like, for people that want to get into the anchovy game, they're like good beginner anchovies because they're not strong.
Yeah, it's like green olives. I like green olives over black olives.
And I think more people like anchovies than they suspect, but they've just maybe had a bad anchovy. Like anchovies, like Liz likes anchovies on pizza. Not my jam at all, because they get cooked and heated, and they're really very strong to me.
Yeah.
Often, but I love anchovies on most things. Like tomato toast with anchovies, I love.
Yeah. A lot of people say they don't like anchovies, but if you like Caesar salad, a lot of Caesar, be careful with that. A friend of mine. I just feel like we should be responsible and teach people to be careful with that. Do what you want. Do what you want. A lot of people go to emergency rooms with avocado hand because they missed the pit, or their knife isn't sharp.
Yeah.
And it doesn't go into the pit; it goes into their palm. But do whatever you want. You're a chef. You're a chef.
How else are you gonna get it out of here?
You put it on.
I mean, it's so dumb. It's like, look down at what you're doing. Don't turn the knife this way. Hit it, twist it out. I've literally done a billion. How do you get it out?
I do what you do too, but I'm saying that we should show people that they shouldn't do it that way.
Yeah. I'm done. Look, there's certain things in life, like.
Can you just try, open one more, please? Just open one more, and then do it.
I don't know how some of these people that get all these random injuries get through the day. I really don't.
My friend, I won't name her name.
Lisa.
She's a very intelligent, no, not Lisa. So a friend of mine who has a doctorate cut her hand on an avocado. So I would say
Because you know what?
you could put it on the cutting board and do this.
That's way more dangerous.
You think?
Yeah. You know what? Because your friend wasn't paying attention.
Maybe.
Because if she was paying attention, she wouldn't have cut herself. If you have a sharp object in your hand, pay attention.
Was she talking to you?
You're not talking to me.
Oh.
Oh my
That's what I have to say about that. I just like sometimes it's like, you know.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to collude with Liz, and I am going to somehow cover something of his in Peeps. I'm just going to buy 10,000 Peeps and like pour them into his car. Like that's what I want to do right now. Because I know how much you hate Peeps. You're pissing me off, Simon.
Why am I pissing you off? It's just like, it's Clinton, come on. Like, you know as well as I do, and I know you're trying to do the right thing to protect the people at home with the avocado hand.
I know this is not the
But
same
it's like,
conversation.
you know, if you're paying attention and looking down at what you're doing, like, come on.
I mean,
really?
I think it's the rubber playground thing. We have rubber playgrounds now.
We do have rubber.
Right, correct. Exactly. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So, I was only going to do 1 or 2 avocados, but Clinton had to show me some more avocado demos. So there's
God
3
forbid we have more avocado.
There's 3 avocados in this bowl. I'm going to put in a little pinch of salt. And again, this changes with me all the time, but this is just what I'm feeling right now. Some cracked black pepper, extra virgin olive oil.
Yes.
Where's the microplane?
Microplane.
Michael, sabotage! Where's the microplane?
And that was Allison.
You're the best, thank you. So I like to garnish this with a little bit of zest, so I'm just gonna zest one of these limes and one of these lemons for garnish. And I'm also, get the avocado, Clinton, the angry avocado.
It's the pit is on the floor. Someone's gonna slip on it.
Some break an ankle.
I didn't want to touch it with my bare hands because I would touch the floor. You know, you slip an avocado pit is slippery. I was like, I know I'm gonna touch the floor and get my hands all dirty.
Right, so one of the things that I like to, like this, when I say do avocado toast a bunch of different ways, this kind of is always my base.
Yeah.
Avocado, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, lime juice, and orange juice. And then from there,
But those are lemons.
You want orange?
yeah, you're right. These are lemons.
Do you want an orange?
No, I
We
don't.
can get you all
I
the
just had a
citrus you
Carla
want.
moment.
Yeah. The Carla.
Right, true.
I just
totally.
had a Carla.
I mean, I honestly, I understood, but then I said, let me ask.
Yeah,
I said
no.
orange.
Lemon
I get it.
and
Yeah.
lime.
Yep.
And then I mash it. I don't obliviate it. I don't puree it. I just mash it enough to take on the extra virgin olive oil and the citrus, which is going to not only, I feel you need acidity because of all the fat in the avocado, but it also will help it from browning, which is a good thing. This last one, come here. God, I gotta mash so many because of Clinton. I'm gonna be mashing for days.
You didn't have to put
I'm
it in the
still
bowl.
gonna be here mashing. I'm still mashing. All right, so this is just the base. And then I like my garnishes, and this is also the reason I do it like this, is Liz also loves avocado toast, but we like to garnish with different things sometimes. So I make the base, and then I would typically we just have some toasted bread here, nice old-fashioned toasted bread. If I'm at home, I grill the bread. I get my grill pan out, I grill the bread. I just love grilled bread. But this is obviously completely fine. And I top it with my avocado.
Add oregano or something. You can have guacamole.
And then
Garlic.
Right, that was your guacamole sort of cater cheat, right?
Then I
that's
like to
60-second
do.
guacamole.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, we're listening.
Would you pay attention to me?
Now he threw red pepper at me. That could be dangerous.
Oh, that could be
That could be
dangerous.
dangerous.
If I
I could
injure
lose
your
an
eye.
eye. If I lose an eye today.
I got avocado handed up blind.
You also threw a pickle at my face the other day.
Chili flake. Little bit of chili flake on top.
He slipped on it.
Some crunchy sea salt.
Yes.
Nice.
Pretty liberally with my crunchy sea salt. And then just whatever herbs that I have. I like soft, bright herbs with this. So I like some, like if I have some dill, I'm gonna put a little bit of dill on there. you know,
Do it.
I like mint with about everything in the
Yes.
world. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mint. And I'm a terror, you know, with these soft herbs. I like them just
like that
kind
you're a
of
terror.
torn and strewn.
You're a holy terror.
Self-proclaimed
I
terror.
am. And then I'm going to take a chive or two. And these don't really tear, so I'm gonna put nice little chop on my chive.
I love it.
Chive, and then just a little bit of this zest that I did, the lemon and the lime zest. And that is,
Excuse me?
Nice, yes,
Nice.
please.
that's how I'm feeling today.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Hey, real quick.
We'll make this fast, we promise.
If you're watching us on YouTube, hit that like button right now. Don't wait.
And subscribe. It's free. It costs you nothing. $0.
If you're on Spotify, follow the show. Apple Podcast, follow. Anywhere you listen, follow.
We are the Chewed Up Show, part of All Chewed Up channel.
And we are everywhere, so if you found us,
Subscribe. Tell your friends and family. It's free, there's no excuse.
Like, subscribe, follow. Do it.
You may have noticed some of the boards and plates we're using. Those are all from Frontgate, including some from my very own collection.
They've got everything from outdoor furniture to decor to entertaining essentials, all made with quality, comfort, and style in mind.
and since most of it is designed in-house, you can't find their pieces anywhere else.
Frontgate, thanks for making our spread look so good.
For more information, go to frontgate.com.
Also,
gorgeous.
always great with the poached egg on it.
Ooh,
You know,
yeah.
if you want to do a poached egg. Sometimes I made it the other day, and it was just because there was stuff in the fridge. We made some jammy eggs, and we had avocados, and the avocados were like getting really ripe. So I made like avocado egg salad.
Avocado egg salad.
So I
Yeah.
chopped up the eggs and then
Yeah.
folded in the avocados. It was really,
I was gonna
it
say,
was
that sounds
delightful.
delicious.
I mean,
Yeah.
the fat content with the yolks and the wax.
Right,
Yeah.
right?
So, I mean, I think the beauty of avocado toast, even though, I'll cut this into 3, even though it got like super trendy and everything else,
Well, let's
I
explain
think the
what we
beauty
do.
of it is, it's versatile. You know, you could do whatever you want with it.
Right. Well, speaking of that, Carla and I also made our own avocado toast.
I forgot I did all this time.
You forgot. I'll tell you what's on mine. So there's a salad that I've had. I feel like it's like a very 80s salad when avocados were like just sort of coming on the scene. It was like it's avocado, grapefruit, a little red onion, and a poppy seed vinaigrette. Do you remember having this salad at all?
I
do.
don't, but poppy seed vinaigrette was,
do.
I still
Kinda
love me some
sweet,
poppy
slightly
seed vinaigrette.
sweet.
Right.
Also
Bitter.
because we're all East Coast, Midwest, East Coast kids,
Yeah.
the avocado was like a new invention for
Oh,
us.
it was-
What is this? What is this
100%.
space fruit? Right?
What is this?
Yeah, it was such a big deal when
Yeah.
avocados came to the
Yeah.
East Coast. So I recreated that. So basically, I did the same thing that Michael did: was mash up avocados, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper on toast, and then I took some grapefruit segments and drizzled them with a little bit of honey, sprinkled some poppy seeds on there, and then topped it with some shaved or thinly sliced red onion,
Oh,
I
I
should say.
like
So it's the
it.
flavor
Gorgeous.
profile of that 1980s
Yes.
salad. Yes. What'd you do, Carla?
Mine's super simple. So I did same base, and then herbs. I have dill and parsley and chives, and then just some crispy shallots.
Crispy shallots, nice.
Yeah.
All right, let's taste each other's avocado
Yeah, I'm gonna-
toast.
I'm the cutter.
You're a terror and a cutter. I like it. I like
Okay.
Oh, this is so nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I love
Gonna have
this.
an avocado toast buffet here.
Oh, yes. Love it.
Going as fast as I can, Clint, so don't yell at me.
Just take your time and be careful.
Love it.
Gotta take your time, take your
Take time
time.
and to do things right.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
All right.
You know, I
Are we
kinda
happy
got
with
the
our
photo.
presentation?
Love it.
We're happy with the presentation. Turning the camera upside down. And then we have photo. And then you don't know it over there, but then I go to portrait mode. And then I move my hand. And then, yep. And we got it.
And gun.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay, where are we going?
Going. I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna have a
go
little
yours
bite
first.
of each one.
Is that my plate, please?
Oh, I like the honey. The honey's real nice in there.
No,
Thank you.
it's tasty part of
While we're having this smorgasbord of French toast, let's talk about trends. I feel like a lot of trends are made on Instagram, a visual thing. Have
Yeah.
nothing to do with taste. Right? You agree?
100%.
Right? And then, hopefully what happens, someone who can cook will take that trend and turn it into something tasty
Yeah.
at a restaurant.
I do like those videos where somebody stitches. I think that's what they call it, stitches a recipe. So like they show one person making something that may or may not be actually good, and then a person who can cook basically recreates it at home and then rates it. I think that's fun.
Yeah.
I like the chef's
I
reaction.
feel like I
like
trust
the
that.
chef reaction guy that judges that, like he judges the ones that are good. He like, well, yeah, I could eat that. The ones that are awful, he just, what are? We should have him on the show. The chef's reactions. I like him.
Well, guys, I think we sort of nailed this avocado
we nailed
toast
it, too.
situation.
Oh.
These are 3 winners.
Oh, good.
And again, it's just like, do you? I mean, just what are you feeling that day?
Totally. Love it. They're all great. Try them all.
Fan of the day?
That's your fan of the day.
You are the
Fan of the day.
Michael's singing along. I'm going to choose the fan of the day. I'm going into the middle.
Oh, yeah, oh good.
The fan of the day. You're getting a custom video recorded by the 3 of us. The second this wraps, we make a video for you for Paula in Kentucky. Campbellsville, Kentucky.
Never heard of Campbellsville.
Me either.
All right.
Maybe it's a small
Let's go
town.
drink some bourbon in Campbellsville.
All right, you guys. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye!
Chewed up.
Thanks for tuning in to Chewed Up, and thanks to our sponsors Fresh Direct and Frontgate for making this show possible. New episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To subscribe, snag recipes, and dig into all the extra fun, head to allchewedup.com or just click subscribe to Chewed Up Show on YouTube and wherever you get your podcasts. Now go and make a mess in your own kitchen.